We often hear that you need loads of school to be super smart, but that's not totally true. Being clever isn't just about the school stuff. It's about practical skills, fixing problems, and knowing cool things without being a show-off. You know those online tips for getting smarter? Well, they're usually a bit of a letdown. Munching on blueberries and blasting classical tunes might sound fancy, but they won't turn you into a genius. Instead, try picking up a book. Stories help you learn new words and understand other people's feelings, while nonfiction books give you real-world info for those deep chats. And here's a top tip. When you share what you know, don't be all braggy about it. Nobody likes a smarty pants. Learning a new skill is like building a muscle. Consistent effort trumps perfection. Don't stress about mastering every intricate detail. Focus on the foundational 20% that unlocks 80% of the skill's potential, as the 80-20 rule suggests. Regular practice is key, even if it's just mentally rehearsing the steps. Remember, doing beats knowing, so get out there and experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Tests might seem like a drag, but they're onto something. They're like mini boot camps for your brain, preparing you to think on your feet and recall information under pressure, just like real life. But here's the secret weapon. Crafting your own practice questions. It's a game changer. By creating your own quizzes, you take control of your learning, tailoring challenges to your specific needs and boosting your confidence for the real deal. Books might not be as flashy as videos, but they offer depth and nuance that often gets lost in quick-hit content. Plus, they usually have built-in exercises to help you apply what you learn, ensuring it sticks beyond a fleeting moment. Luckily, finding books is easy peasy. Just hop online, search for what grabs your attention, and dive into all that knowledge out there. And guess what? You can find loads of free books online if you're up for the challenge, opening a world of knowledge without breaking the bank. Being smart isn't just about knowing stuff, it's also about being good at connecting the dots, thinking critically, and being adaptable. Practical skills and problem solving, they're super useful for whatever you do, whether it's in your personal life or at work, because they help you navigate the unexpected and turn challenges into opportunities. So, keep learning, keep exploring, and remember, smart is about being resourceful, not just knowledgeable. And having a growth mindset helps a lot. When you see challenges as opportunities to improve, you'll keep growing. Being smart isn't something you're just born with. It's something you can develop through practice, perseverance, and a positive attitude. Let's talk about mixing up your friend group. Instead of always hanging out with the same people, try spending time with folks from different backgrounds and interests. Chat with people who see the world in their own unique way. When you do this, something special happens. You start to see things from different perspectives. You hear new ideas and stories that can change how you think. It's like adding new colors to your thoughts. And the best part? It's fun. Hanging out with different friends means you get to try new things and go on cool adventures. Whether it's trying new foods or exploring new places, there's always something exciting to do. Hope you enjoyed this educational film. See you in the next video.